right, y'all. I came over here to Dance and Drums Explosion because it was so loud on the other side where I was at. So I'm gonna try this one over here and see how it goes. It's like $14.71 that I put in this machine. Let's just see how it goes here. So 88 cents. Yep. First time I played Dance and Drums Explosion. Let's see what this is gonna do. As usual, I'm just trying to maintain my money. I'm gonna do that for sure because I got good on that $40. Um, this is great. All right. This don't seem to be doing too much anything. I might have to move on. That's a $2 hit, yo. $2. Oh, I thought I was gonna do something. Wow. Just trying to keep this going. 88 cents, y'all. $4. I sure hope the spins decide to come. I really do. I hope they decide to come. Man, I hate when it does me like that, though. That's a gold one. Hey, yo. From what I understand, this one is fans too. Look at that gold drum. Somebody give me some gold. Give me some gold. Give me some gold, honey. Ain't nothing happening right now, though. Nothing's happening right now. Come on now. You can do it. You can do it. And it didn't do it. Okay. Well, hold on. All right, y'all. I'm still here at Dancing Drums Explosion. Okay? That's with the gold drums. I'm going to try this on $1.88. I had it on 88 cents. I just want to see if it's going to give me something. Do something for me. I need something to happen. And it would be nice. I don't know if it is or not. I might have to move on to something else. I always wanted to try this version of the drums too. Oh, we got that. Okay. That's an $8 hit, y'all. Okay, we got something happening. And y'all know how I like to get a penny. Y'all see what a penny is at? The penny is at $17.37. That's where I like to get a penny. I'm not going to even pull this up to show y'all anything else because I know a lot of times all it wants to do is give the penny. It'd be nice to get something now. There you go. $17. I know how this game operates. And a lot of times I don't even go no higher than a minor either. But you know, that's okay. That's all right. That's $25.43. We already got a $15 profit, you know. I'm just going to keep trying to play it and see if anything happens. I need something to happen. Oh, there are all them dogs. I know that that's a big hit. And again, I'm on $1.88 right now. So, just hoping for something to happen. I really am. Ooh, that's $18. Oh, I am doing great in here today. I'm doing great in here. Okay. I'm just try to keep this up a little bit because I want some spins. I've seen other people play this game. I want to win too. I'm just trying to hold on and see how it goes. That golden drum. I started to put it back down to 88 cents, but you know, I'm gonna keep it on $1.88. I'm gonna keep it going on whatever it's working on right now. But I know on 88 cents, I started off on the other side, that was doing great. Oh, what's that? That's $16. Okay. $16, y'all. That's $16. Okay. As long as it keep me up in money to the point to maybe I can get some spins, then we doing good. I want this to work out. I want this to work out, y'all. I need it to work out now. Yes. Okay. $8.80. Got some spins. What am I gonna choose? Okay. Well, I'm gonna do 10. 10 worked on the other side pretty good. I'm gonna try 10 this time instead of the 15. See if I can get anything else. Okay. $4. We got 10 spins. Let's hope we get something great, y'all. Okay. Oh, come on. You could have re-triggered. Sometimes I think when it's on a 15, that's when it re-triggers the most for me. That's why I always choose 15. Not the 10 spins or nothing else. See that? They ain't nothing but a tease. Come on, man. Come on. You can re-trigger. Make this necessary. You can do it. Oh my God, we got 2 spins left, y'all. No re-triggers. I ain't gonna even looking for it now. Yep. No re-triggers. But that's okay. We got $49.60 on that hit, y'all. Okay. That was not bad at all, okay? That was not bad at all. I'll take it, honey, all day. $49.60 all together. $79 bill, $77.51. That's great. Okay. Come on. We got to keep this going, y'all. We got to get some money up in here because all we've been doing lately is losing. Now we winning. Okay? Oh, then why didn't you show up like that during the last set of spins? Because I needed that. I needed a re-trigger. Oh, my God. That would have been fantastic. And look with the golden drums, too. The golden drums. I would like to see what I would get with that. Don't tease me now. Come on. There's no need of teasing because you've already given it to me. There's no need of tease. Let's be friends. Come on. Let's do this. I don't want to go down in money because you gave me all of that. You know, I'm trying to keep it going and everything. I don't want to lose it again. I mean, I think it could happen. And look, hold on. I'm gonna show you the golden drum. Well, it was on fire a second ago. What does it look like for me to get the golden drum? Can I see how that happens? I mean, come on now. Now this is taking me back down. I don't want it to take me back down to where I have nothing. But that's really not fair. There's a golden drum, but I did not get that within any kind of spins. Of course not. I'm really just trying to see how that's going to be. I'm taking a chance right now. I know I am. I know I'm taking a chance. Come on. really need this to work out for me. That's $8 hit though. I take it. $8. I just don't want it to give me too low on money because I could have taken that out, put something back in, but sometimes I just don't like to do that because sometimes the longer you stay with the game, the better off you might be. And then I just keep trying it just to see. I don't ever know. I don't want it to mess up on me. I don't want that to happen. Goodness, it seems like that's what's happening right now. You didn't give me the drums. You really just need to stop playing. I thought we was being friends here. I thought we were being friends. That's what I thought. The idea was I come over here, give you money, and you give me the prize. That's the idea. So what's happening now? Now it's just going back down to money. This is why I like to take my tickets out. I think you can do it. I think you could give me spins again. That's what I think. You're not going to give me no more spins? Do I have to go down in money? Is that it? That's $1. Oh, $2.50. Okay. Oh, it's just $1. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. It's taking me right back down here. Okay, finally. I'm getting ready to give up, y'all. Get ready to give up. All right. Okay. Listen to me. I know that I did 10 the last time. I'm going to do 15 this time. Do 15. I don't know how it's going to do, but we're going to do 15. Oh my God. Oh no. Please. I don't know if I did the right thing or not, y'all. That's $4. We got 10 more spins left. Something gotta happen. Come on. There you go. I know I could get some re-triggers when I choose 15. That much I do know. All right. If I could get a whole screen of all those dogs up there, that would be fantastic if I could do that. There you go. There you go. Oh my God, I almost got 5. Woo. That's $17.60, y'all. That's what I said. I know if I choose 15, I can get some re-triggers on this thing. That much I do know. I know it can happen. Come on now. Don't let me down. Oh, come on. That just blocks what I need to do. One more spin, y'all. One more. All right. I'll take that. I will take it. That's $38.40. Basically just taking me back down. Alright, that's $54.65. Try this again. I don't know how much longer I want to stay on here, but I wanted to see what it looked like to get the golden drum, but that hasn't happened yet. And I don't know if it will happen. I don't think I want to sit here and chase that. That's not what I'm trying to stay here to do. Is the little treasure chest going to come down again? Is anything else going to happen? $1.80. I need something else to happen, y'all. I think we can do this. That's what I think. Oh boy. Come on now. Come on. This is got the golden draw. How come I can't get the golden draw? That was like something a minute ago. Probably would have got more money if I had chosen the 10, but I wanted to try the 15. But when I was on the Dancing Drums Prosperity, I kept choosing the 10. But y'all know I usually choose 15 for spins. This time now, it just seems like I'm getting empty spins. And I ain't liking the empty spins right now. I'm not liking it at all. It's just kind of like settled in. I'm just getting empty spins right now. That's not good. Look at that, it just skipped it. That's the kind of stuff I don't like. I don't like when it skips. Put on 88 cents, see if it changes. See if it do something different. So now it's just basically took that money. That's not what I was trying to do. 25. Keep acting like I want to get the drums, but I don't see nothing happening. Oh, now. Something different? Yeah, this ain't happening. I should have took what I had in there and should have run with that. Because I should have known. Sometimes I just get that feeling, but then I'm like, I don't want to take it out too soon. You never know. You just never know. I try to hang in there for as long as I can. Sometimes that just doesn't work out. See? Just skipping over it. I don't think it wants to do it anymore at this point. I think it's done. Alright, y'all. We're going to move on to something else.